Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned string beans taste better. First, drain and rinse your canned green beans very well. This removes extra sodium and that canned flavor. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of butter or olive oil in a pan. Sauté the beans for a few minutes to improve their texture. You can also add some minced garlic or diced onion for a foundational flavor boost. To really brighten up your beans, try adding a splash of vinegar, like apple cider or balsamic. Just a small amount makes a big difference. Dried herbs are also fantastic. A teaspoon of dill, thyme, or oregano can transform the flavor. For a little warmth, a pinch of red pepper flakes adds a nice, subtle kick without being too spicy. For a more satisfying texture and richer taste, consider adding some crispy elements. Bacon bits or pancetta provide a wonderful savory crunch. If you prefer a creamy finish, a dollop of cream cheese or 1 tablespoon of heavy cream works wonders. Toasted nuts, such as slivered almonds or pecans, also offer a delightful textural contrast. Don't be afraid to get creative with your canned green beans. Try combining them with sautéed mushrooms and a dash of soy sauce for a rich, umami flavor. For a lighter, fresher option, mix in some halved cherry tomatoes and crumbled feta cheese. Finally, a sprinkle of crispy fried onions or Parmesan cheese makes a fantastic topping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.